Welcome to Gubei Water Town, a stunning blend of ancient charm and modern comfort, nestled at the foot of the Simatai Great Wall in Beijing's Miyun District. Before we begin, subscribe and turn on the bell for more travel tips. Inspired by the traditional water towns of southern China like Wuzhen, Gubei was thoughtfully designed to recreate a Ming and Qing dynasty village. Though it's a modern development, it uses centuries-old architectural styles and stone-paved alleys to give visitors an authentic Old Town experience. All set against the majestic backdrop of the Great Wall, this place isn't just beautiful, it's immersive. Open all year round, the scenic area typically runs from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., though hours may extend during peak seasons. Ticket prices: general admission is Chinese yuan 40, with off-peak discounts down to Chinese yuan 110. Combo tickets that include the Simatai Great Wall and a one-way cable car ride are Chinese yuan 170. For night visits, the ticket with cable car access is Chinese yuan 180. You can buy tickets easily through Trip.com or the Meituan app. Just be sure to check whether your ticket includes day or night access, cable car rides one way or return, and the correct time slot for the Great Wall night tour. Tip: booking in advance helps avoid long queues, especially during holidays. Getting there: if you're driving, take the G45 expressway from Beijing and exit at Simatai. The ride takes about 1.5 to 2 hours. Parking is available on-site. By public transport, direct shuttle buses depart from Dongsimon Bus Terminal at 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. for Chinese yuan 48 per person, about 2 hours one way. Or take bus 980 to Miyun West Building, then transfer to bus 51 to the town. Total journey about 3 hours. Top attractions: sunset at Simatai Great Wall. There are sunsets. And then there's this. This is the only section of the Great Wall open for night visits, and it's nothing short of magical. Take the cable car up around 5:30 p.m. and you arrive at the perfect hour. As the sun sinks behind the ridges, the mountains whisper in gold. The wall stretches endlessly, quiet, powerful, timeless. From here, you're not just watching a sunset, you're witnessing a moment etched into the soul of China. From 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m., the entire wall and Gubei Water Town below are beautifully illuminated, creating a magical scene that blends ancient architecture with modern lighting. Water dance and drone show. At 7:30 p.m., enjoy the water dance show. Ends at 7:50 p.m. Followed by the drone show from 7:50 p.m. to 8:20 p.m. Colorful drones light up the night sky above rooftops and rivers. A surreal and unforgettable experience. Note: drone shows are weather dependent. Please confirm timing at the info counter. Seasonal fireworks. During events like the Red Leaf Festival in late October, expect stunning firework displays lighting up the hills and rooftops of the town. Cultural fun. Voice Cafe, a time-traveling experience tucked away on Wangjing Street. Part cafe, part museum, part movie set. Here, sound isn't just heard, it's remembered. With a proud collaboration with the Radio Museum, every piece you see here, from vinyl record players to vintage radios, tells the story of how humans learn to capture and replay life's most intimate moments. Voice Cafe has played host to TV legends. From heartfelt interviews on Phoenix Network's Wisdom of Life, to scenes from the hit drama Meet Yourself. Starring Zhao Lucy and Chen Wei-ting, this spot has become a silent star in its own right. Enjoy a warm cup of coffee as melodies from another era fill the air. Whether you're here for the history, the ambiance, or just a quiet moment, Voice Cafe invites you to sit back, slow down, and listen. Yunding Perfume House, Hidden amidst the winding alleys of Gubei Water Town lies a scent boutique unlike any other. This is Yunding Perfume, where nature's breath is bottled in elegance. Yunding means cloud peak, and just like its name, every fragrance here carries the crispness of mountain air and the mystery of drifting cloud. Hilltop Church, nestled high above Gubei Water Town, lies a hidden gem. The journey begins in the heart of the town, where a stone stairway winds upward, step by step, leading you away from the crowd and into serenity. At the summit, you're greeted by a quaint gray stone chapel, elegant and timeless, with a European-American charm that feels like stepping into a romantic movie scene. This peaceful sanctuary is more than just a place of worship. It's a venue for quiet reflection, moving hymns, weddings, and unforgettable moments. All set against a panoramic backdrop of the entire Gubei Water Town below. Tucked along a gentle stream, there's a restaurant that feels like home. Neighbors Inn Riverside Restaurant. Locals love it. Travelers rave about it. But what really draws you in is the food. Their signature dish? Red braised pork, affectionately called "My Heart Still Loves Red Braised Pork." 5 layers of tender pork belly, slow-cooked in caramelized soy sauce and local aromatics. The flavor, rich, nostalgic, unforgettable. Of course, it's not just the pork. Fresh river fish, vibrant seasonal greens, and a full spread of northern Chinese home-style cooking make every meal here worth savoring. Where to stay? For the full experience, stay inside the scenic zone. Luxury options like Gubei Jiguang Hot Spring Hotel or boutique inns like Yanmen Inn offer a peaceful escape with perks like multiple entries and hot spring access. Staying outside the area in nearby Miyun hotels is cheaper, but you'll miss out on nighttime serenity. I visited in April, the crowds were minimal, the weather was perfect, and the town felt calm and magical. Definitely worth the trip if you're looking for something special and slightly off the beaten path. Whether you're into culture, photography, or just want to relax, Gubei Water Town offers a magical experience near Beijing. From historic charm to evening lights and everything in between, this place brings a peaceful rhythm to modern travel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to NBS Travel. For more guides like this, check out our playlist for hidden gems in China and beyond. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels!